Hello everyone, I'm Fernando from Activa. Today I'm going to show you how to change your furnace filter. As a homeowner, one of the most important tasks is to change your furnace filter on a regular basis. If you live in an active construction site, Activa recommends that you change your furnace filter every month in the first year, and then every 2 to 3 months thereafter. Changing your furnace filter on a frequent basis will help prolong the life expectancy of your furnace. Here are the step-by-step instructions on how to change your furnace filter. Step 1. Turn your furnace to the off position. This will turn off the blower fan, allowing you to remove the filter without any resistance. Step 2. Remove the furnace filter compartment cover and pull out the furnace filter. Check that the new filter size matches the old filter size. Thirdly, insert the new filter with the arrows located on the top of the filter facing the furnace. 4. Reinstall the furnace filter compartment cover. Sometimes the edges of some compartment covers may be sharp, so install with caution. Last but not least, turn the furnace switch back to the on position. To help you remember when to change your furnace filter, add it to your calendar or set up a reminder on your smartphone to alert you when it's time to change it. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to check out the rest of our videos on our website. Thank you for watching.